And it's now time for the business day. The Jamaica Stock Exchange launched its micro market today, with the government announcing a full income tax holiday for listed companies for the first 5 years. This will be followed by a 50% income tax concession for years 6 through 10. More in this report.
The new market is designed to give micro and small enterprises access to equity financing, allowing them to raise between $10 and $50 million to grow and expand their operations. Finance Minister Favour Williams says this represents a significant step in unlocking the potential of Jamaica's entrepreneurial sector.
Most importantly, companies that list on the micro market will benefit from one of our most compelling incentives in our investment landscape. Ready for that? It's a full income tax holiday for the first 5 years after listing. Followed by a 50% income tax concession for years 6 through 10. So this is encouragement for businesses to step forth and be listed.
She says the platform will also provide business owners with access to patient capital needed to transform and scale their operations. Already 10 companies have been listed for this market, and the JSE estimates that as many as 25 companies could be listed within its first 2 years, creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs while contributing to economic growth and job creation.
It is in this same spirit that we launched the micro market today. The micro market is an extension, of course, of the purpose, widening access to capital formation for the smallest enterprises among us in a manner that is just as fair, just as transparent, and rules-based as every other market we operate.
Of note, research reviewed by the JSE Steering Committee found that micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises account for approximately 90% of employment in Jamaica and contribute about 80% of income tax revenues. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 1,396 points today, while the junior market advanced by 14 points. The winners include Kintyre Holdings, Cygnus Credit Investments, 10.5%, Main Event Entertainment Group, Paramount Trading, and Jetcon Corporation. The losers include KLE Group, Edufocal Limited, JMMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Sterling Investments, and Berger Paints Jamaica. 19 stocks traded firm. At the end of a foreign exchange trading today, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $158.28. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.69. The pound is going for $211.69, while the euro is selling for an average $184.17. And it's now time for a break. We have international news when we return.